Okay, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you to expand your vocabulary, increase your confidence, and speak like a native Englishman. Let's get started looking at deductions, modal verbs. So, we're talking and saying how likely or unlikely something is. You know, if it's not likely at all, or it's going to happen, it's like 99% likely, 99%, or like 1% likely. How likely or unlikely it is. Big stuff. It's used to guess about what happened or is happening now. Like, what's happening now? Talking and guessing. You don't know what's happening, but you have an idea. You're guessing. You're guessing. Yeah. So, like might and could talks about uncertainty and not knowing. Like you don't know what's happening out there. You're uncertain. Could we go left or right? John is hurt. It might be a wasp. Or he might have broken his arm. Ooh. He might have fallen over. It could have been an accident. It could have been intentional. So maybe someone doesn't like him. It might have been accidental. It might have been malicious. It might have been an animal. It could have been a trap. It could have been a trick. Aha. Or might not. Negative but not certain. It might not have been. It might not have been an elephant, but it might have been a tiger. It might not have been a mouse. No way. It might not have been a mouse, but it might have been a lion. Yeah. So we're not knowing, but we're talking about uncertainty. We're talking about things we're not certain of whatsoever. But then must is speculate about the present, guessing what's happening. It must arrive soon. It must be here. That plane must be here on time. It must be there. It must happen. We must get some gold at this right price. We must, otherwise it won't work. The parcel must arrive today. They must arrive by 9 for the party. Yeah. But then you have cannot and can't. Cannot and can't. Oh no. So something impossible. Impossible, 0%. 0%. Not going to happen. Never. It can't happen. I can't go to the party tonight. I cannot be late to the meeting. I cannot be late to work. I could not find the answer. I could not get the right price. Get the right price of gold. I could not get the right price of cobalt. I couldn't do it. Impossible. She could be late. She could be here on time, for all we know. Yeah, something impossible. She could be away on holiday. Impossible. She could have been hurt. Not good. Or even I can't help you. I don't speak Russian. I can't help you. I don't speak Arabic. I can't help you. I don't know what to say in Arabic. I can't help you. My Chinese is not good. It's a little bit of Chinese, but nothing. I could not get the plane. I could not find the right boat. It's impossible now. Yeah, therefore, this thing won't happen. No way. So yeah, deductions then. Deductions saying how likely or unlikely something is. If it's going to happen or if it's never going to happen. Yeah, cool. Might and could. Might not. Must. It must happen now. And cannot and can't. About the impossible. No way. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay then, so let's have a look at speculation and deduction about the past. You're thinking about what happened in the past and you're coming to conclusions. So, must have. To speculate about the past when you are sure something happened. When you as the speaker are sure something happened. Must have. It must have been the dog. It must be that vehicle again. It must be ice cream man. Yeah. It must have been very rainy last night. There's water everywhere. Must have been very windy and cold as well. It must have been very dark at night. I'm guessing. I don't know, unless there was fireworks. May, might and could can replace must when the speaker is not sure about something. I'm not sure about something, so it may have been a tiger we saw over there. It may have been a deer that I saw once in the forest. It was so weird. Like this big hairy leg for like less than a split second just disappeared. I saw it and it disappeared. It was weird. Weird. It was like this hind leg gone. As soon as I saw it, it had run away. So weird. Then might. It may have been a deer, but it might. Well, it might have been a deer. It may have been something else, but the chances are it was more likely to have been a deer. It might have been a deer. It might not have been a horse. It might not have been a horse. But it could, possible, it could have been my imagination. Whoa. I could be seeing things. I somewhat doubt it. But I could be seeing things. Yeah. But I'm not sure. Again, I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. Don't know. They might travel to Turkey. Or they might travel to Greece. Or Israel. They may even go to Crete. Ah, Crete, yeah, that's a cool place, Crete. Or they may even go to Cyprus. Cyprus, that's very interesting to say the least. They may have gone to Cyprus. I don't know. But the speaker is not sure. But then we have can't and could not, when the speaker is certain it did not happen. When you know something did not happen, then you say can't or could not. I can't, what can't I do? I don't know what I can't do. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what I can't do. Okay. That's ironic. Okay. She can't I don't know. Again, she can't dance very well, can she? She can't dance very well. She can't dance, and she could not dance very well. She could not speak to me very well in English. She couldn't speak to me very well in English. It may have been because she was only learning English for a few days. I can't understand her. I can't understand her English. It could have been because she's not speaking English very well, or she's speaking mostly Spanish. It could have been. But we can't understand them. I think they might be speaking in French. They might be. I'm not too sure. But I think they are, but not sure. But I know I can't understand them. I know that. Yeah. Can't and couldn't, not certain. So I can't hear you. I can't hear you at all. This is a video. I can't hear you. I'm just a video recording on YouTube. I can't hear you, sorry. Comment below, I can't hear you. It couldn't have been a lion we saw. Lions are too fast for that. It might have been a honey badger. A little small, annoying little skunk-like creature in the Sahara and in Africa. It might have been a honey badger. She must have been here already. I can tell. She would leave her stuff here. She must have been at home. Otherwise she would not leave these things. Peter can't tell me his secrets. Peter can't admit when he can't speak English very well. Peter can't speak Russian for reasons. It may have been the answer. It may have been the person you were looking for, but we may never know. We may never know. Yeah, so it may have been. Peter can't, yeah. But I did another video on modal verbs to expand upon that, and you can look at that video here if you want to keep learning about modal verbs. Yeah, cool. Yeah, very good. Yeah. So that's speculation and deduction of the past. Must have. What happened in the past? If you are sure about something, I must have been at that party. There's a picture of me. I don't remember, but I must have been. Or may and might and could, but when you're not sure, it might have been a panther, it might have been a tiger, it might have been a lion, it might have been a puma. I don't know. And can't and couldn't. Certain it did not happen. It could not have been a horse. It could not have been an elephant. No way. No way. However, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.